In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Shopify alongside ChatGPT for your e-commerce needs. First, let's head over to your Shopify account. You'll want to start by navigating to the My Store section on your Shopify homepage. Here, you'll find all the tools and resources available to help you manage your online store. It's where you can oversee everything from inventory to sales analytics. If you haven't already done so, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and available features, as this will be your main hub for running your business. Once you've got a good handle on your Shopify dashboard, our next stop is ChatGPT's website. Head over there using your browser. ChatGPT is an AI model that can provide you with valuable insights and answer any queries you might have about managing your Shopify store. It's especially useful if you're looking for instant advice or creative solutions to common business challenges. With ChatGPT open, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed on the home page. This will be your gateway to tapping into a vast pool of knowledge. Simply type in any questions or topics related to Shopify that you might be curious about. For instance, if you're wondering how to optimize your product descriptions for better search engine rankings, just go ahead and type that into the search bar. Once you enter your query, ChatGPT will guide you through the process with clear, step-by-step instructions tailored to your specific needs. It provides a detailed breakdown, making it easy to follow even if you're new to the platform or e-commerce in general. As you interact with the AI, don't hesitate to follow up with any additional questions to further clarify your understanding. To get the most out of this powerful duo, it's a good idea to have both Shopify and ChatGPT tabs open simultaneously on your browser. This way, you can readily apply any advice or strategies you uncover directly to your store. Having seamless access to both platforms not only saves time, but also boosts your productivity by allowing you to implement new strategies immediately. Remember, this approach is all about enhancing your e-commerce operations through practical, real-time solutions. Whether you're aiming to boost sales or streamline operations, utilizing Shopify in conjunction with ChatGPT gives you a comprehensive toolkit to succeed. So, take advantage of these tools and transform how you manage your online business today. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to subscribe for more insightful tutorials on optimizing your e-commerce experience.